Nigeria, as you know, is the most populous country in Africa. It has some of the very worst indicators of maternal health in the region. Indeed, we estimate that about 45,000 women die every year from pregnancy complications. And these are mainly women who are poor, who reside in rural communities, and who are also illiterate and not very well educated.
The federal government of Nigeria is doing so much to stem down this high rate of mortality. So this project has come to complement what the federal government of Nigeria is doing.
Notre défi principal était vraiment d'améliorer l'accès aux soins obstétriques de base pour les femmes qui vivent en milieu rural au Nigeria.
The aim of the project primarily is to increase the portion of women who deliver in the health center from about 47%, which we found on baseline.
Nous avons associé dès le départ les partenaires locaux, les groupes de femmes, les communautés locales.
We constituted a village committee, which we call the World Development Committees. And then together with them, we sat down and designed a series of solutions. For example,
educate pregnant women or how to take care of themselves during pregnancy.
We also set up the health insurance fund, which enables women to visit health center without necessarily paying. This innovation in transportation, whereby an SMS is sent through the World Development Committee chairman, and then immediately the transporter will meet the woman at home, pick her up, and bring her to the health center.
The Rapid SMS program, which is Text for Life, it still has to do with community mobilization, and at the same time, we can do effective follow-up to see to a good outcome of their pregnancy.
And then thirdly, the quality assurance. We train the staff in the health centers to make them more sensitive about the needs of women, and then to make them more friendly, and to provide what I call respectful maternity care, which women also complain they didn't have in the health centers.
L'impact le plus immédiat, c'est que depuis la mise en œuvre de ce projet-là, nous avons enregistré 0 décès maternel. En soi, c'est vraiment un succès incroyable.
We've been able to increase awareness about maternal health, be able to show to women in rural communities that primary health centers is a place to go when you are pregnant and you're about to deliver.
This project has been able to educate the women as well as the men. It is not only the pregnant women that are benefiting from this, other members of the community. The community mobilization has ensured that the major groups within the community, the traditional heads, the road transport workers, the market women association, they are involved. At the same time, the healthcare delivery, the quality of healthcare delivery at that facilities are improved.
It has provided a knowledge transfer information to policymakers across those parts of Nigeria. We just look forward to greater expansion and scaling the project to other parts of the region.
Donc tester vraiment l'innovation et espérer que ça puisse donner les mêmes résultats. Et si ça fonctionne, la prochaine étape sera vraiment de convaincre les autorités évidemment gouvernementales que des innovations de cette nature-là sont nécessaires, elles ne coûtent pas cher et peuvent vraiment sauver des vies.